George.
Thank you, Claire. Minister, in England, all working parents of 2-year-olds will receive 15 hours per week of free childcare from April of this year. Minister, can you confirm this will be the case in Wales, and if not, why not?
Well, we will see whether that is delivered. I can see that there are questions being raised in terms of the capacity of a workforce which has is being, and a workforce which, of course, we are rebuilding as a result of our investment here in Wales. I think it is important that, and of course, it's the Deputy Minister for Social Services responsibility, but it is important that we reflect on what we are doing in Wales in terms of childcare. It is the most, and so far our childcare offer is the most ambitious across the UK, but I think our investment in Flying Start, and I think that again is a really important investment that we share in our cooperation agreement, that is the proof of what we are doing despite 13 years of austerity, slashing of Sure Start years ago in England. We have continued to invest in Flying Start, and can I just say, in Flying Start, which actually reaches the most disadvantaged children, the very children that we are supporting through our child poverty strategy. And that's just revenue and capital, and the expansion of that. I hope you will have seen, Russell, in your constituency, as I know the Deputy Minister and I think the designated member saw in Wrexham last week, the impact of our investment in Flying Start. And that provides free childcare, which, of course, in our agreement is going to roll out to all 2-year-olds in